Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about the top 8 inventions that have been recently developed and brought to life, with the last one being truly amazing. Before we dive into the video, if you want to stay informed about such new inventions and technologies, feel free to subscribe to my channel below to be notified of every new development. Now, let's get into the video. Aira, a service that assists visually impaired individuals by providing live video streaming. Aira is a service developed to assist visually impaired individuals. Essentially, users can provide live video streaming by using the Aira application and a specialized wearable camera device. This camera device allows the user's surroundings to be viewed in real time, enabling guidance from a remote operator. Aira's remote operators can provide guidance to visually impaired individuals on various topics. For instance, while navigating through a shopping mall, an Aira subscriber can receive guidance from operators on people around them, signs, products, and directions. Additionally, Aira operators can assist users with reading, writing, searching, transportation, and many other areas. Aira is designed to make the daily lives of visually impaired individuals more independent and to help them feel more freedom in various environments. Ergo Max, a nearly invisible and rechargeable hearing aid. Ergo Max is an almost invisible and rechargeable hearing aid. This device allows users to discreetly and comfortably manage their hearing loss. It is more aesthetic and comfortable compared to traditional hearing aids. It offers a more modern and user-friendly option for individuals with hearing loss. Gillette Treo, a razor designed for elderly and disabled individuals. Gillette Treo is a razor designed specifically for elderly and disabled individuals. It features a unique design that allows caregivers to easily and safely shave those who may have difficulty shaving themselves. The razor has a built-in shaving gel that eliminates the need for water, making it convenient for use in various settings. Gillette Treo aims to provide a more comfortable and accessible shaving experience for individuals with limited mobility or dexterity. Endoscopic camera, a digital camera capable of easily imaging the inside of the body. An endoscopic camera is a medical device used to visualize the interior of hollow organs or body cavities. It consists of a long, thin, flexible tube with a light and camera attached to its tip. Endoscopic cameras are inserted into the body through natural openings or small incisions to examine and diagnose various medical conditions. They allow healthcare professionals to view high-definition images of internal structures in real time, facilitating accurate diagnosis and treatment. Endoscopic cameras are commonly used in procedures such as gastrointestinal endoscopy, arthroscopy, and laparoscopy. Electric generating thread, a thread that generates electricity when stretched or bent. Electric generating thread is a specialized thread that can generate electricity when stretched or bent. It utilizes piezoelectric materials or nanogenerators embedded within the thread to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. This innovative technology has potential applications in various fields, including wearable electronics, smart textiles, and energy harvesting systems. By incorporating electric generating threads into clothing or fabrics, it is possible to capture and utilize the energy generated from body movements or environmental factors to power small electronic devices or sensors. This makes electric generating thread a promising solution for enhancing the functionality and sustainability of wearable technology. Stroller bike, a bicycle for mothers who enjoy cycling with the ability to carry their children in front. A stroller bike is a bicycle designed for parents who enjoy cycling and want to bring their children along for the ride. It features a unique design that allows children to sit comfortably in a stroller-like seat attached to the front of the bike while the parent pedals from behind. Stroller bikes typically come with safety features such as harnesses and protective canopies to ensure the child's safety during the ride. This innovative combination of a bicycle and stroller offers parents a convenient and enjoyable way to engage in outdoor activities with their young children, promoting family bonding and active lifestyles. Oppo Air Glass, a pair of smart glasses that enhance vision quality and provide access to desired information. Oppo Air Glass is a smart eyewear that enhances vision quality and provides access to desired information. This smart glasses offer users access to environmental information with a wide field of view. Additionally, it provides convenience and functionality with integrated features. Oppo Air Glass aims to facilitate access to information in daily life while enhancing the user's visual experience. Icon Vulcan 3D Printer, a 3D printer promising to provide homes for the homeless. Icon Vulcan 3D Printer is a cutting-edge construction technology that uses 3D printing to build homes for the homeless. This innovative printer is capable of constructing resilient and affordable houses using various materials. By leveraging 3D printing technology, Icon Vulcan aims to address housing challenges and provide sustainable housing solutions for those in need.